Today, students spend hours searching for academic knowledge. They switch between libraries, PDF repositories, search engines, and multiple AI tools just to find the trusted answer. Universities already contain thousands of books, research papers, lecture slides, notes, and datasets. Yet much of the knowledge remains difficult to discover, access, and utilize. And when students use modern AI tools, the answer often generates because those systems are not grounded in trusted academic resources. This challenge exists not only in Bangladesh but across universities worldwide. So, we asked a simple question. What if student could directly interact with academic knowledge through AI? So introducing Learnova. Learnova is an AI-powered institutional knowledge platform. Universities can upload books, research papers, lecture slides, notes, and datasets into a secured AI-powered ecosystem where, using Retrieval-Augmented Generation or RAG, Learnova transforms these resources into an AI-accessible knowledge system. Instead of searching through libraries, PDFs, and disconnected platforms, students can simply ask questions and receive answers grounded into trusted academic resources. Learnova turns institutional knowledge into an interactive learning experience. Let's see how Learnova works in practice. First, a university applies to join Learnova and creates its own AI-powered learning workspace. The platform is managed by platform administrators who maintain institution, subscription, AI usage, and overall ecosystem. Within each institution, university administrators manage students, faculty, approve application, and upload books, research paper, lecture slide, note, datasets, and other learning materials. Learnova then process these resources using RAG and transform into an AI-powered knowledge system. Universities can keep resources private for their own students or share selected resources within the global learning community. Faculty members can create courses and classrooms, upload assignments and study materials, and support students through AI-powered learning tools. Students can join one or multiple universities and access approved resources, courses, and classrooms. When a student asks a question, Learnova finds relevant information from authorized resources and generates an AI-powered answer. Students can also create study roadmaps, prepare for exam, practice concepts, and get research support. There is also a global library where learners can discover and access resources shared by institutions around the world. Together, Learnova transforms educational resources into an interactive AI-powered learning experience. Learnova uses Retrieval-Augmented Generation or RAG to power its AI experience. When resources are uploaded, they are processed, indexed, and converted into searchable knowledge. When a student asks a question, Learnova retrieves relevant content from authorized resources before generating a response. The platform supports multiple AI providers, allowing us to deliver accurate, contextual, and institution-aware learning assistance. Learnova is designed for universities, schools, and learning communities around the world. Our business model combines university subscription with premium AI-powered learning services. As more institutions join, Learnova grows into a connected learning network where students can access trusted knowledge beyond their own campus. In the future, we plan to expand Learnova with voice AI, live interview preparation, and new features driven by user feedback and advances in AI. We believe the future of education is not just access to information, it's access to knowledge through AI. This is Learnova.